Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, introduce myself. My name is Atiyah. I'm from Mathematics major in UIN Antasari Banjarmasin. Okay, this learning video was made to fulfill the final achievement for the English format test with tutor Mr. Ahmad Wapan Nijami MPD. Okay, let's just go to the material that we will discuss. So, the material we will discuss is material about statistics. In statistics, there are four materials that we will discuss, namely the mean, median, mode, and quartiles. Okay, the first thing we discuss is the mean. Example, calculate the mean of the following data 2, 3, 3, and 4. Solution. Can we know x1 equals 2, x2 equals 3, x3 equals 3, x4 equals 4, and n equals 4. Then the question is the average value. Okay, first we enter the formula for the average. The formula is average equals sigma xi over n. Then we enter the data in the formula. Average equals 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 over 4 equals 12 over 4 equals 3. The second means group data. The formula is average equals sigma fi xi over sigma fi. Description: x is the average value, then xi is the value of the I, and fi is the frequency of the data group 2i. Example, calculate the mean of the following group data. The following is a table of the body height of class C SDN Suka Bersama students. In the table, for the first height 156 to 160, the second 161 to 165, the third 166 to 170, and the last 171 to 175. For the midpoint or xi, the first is 158, the second is 163, the third is 168, and the last is 173. For frequency or fi, the first is 5, the second is 10, the third is 5, and the last is 10. Then for xi times fi, the first one is 790, the second 1630, the third 840, and the last 1730. Solution. First step, determine sigma fi. So sigma fi equal n of number of data equals 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 10 equals 30. Second step, determine sigma fi times xi. So sigma fi times xi equals 790 plus 1630 plus 840 plus 1730 equals 4919. The third, enter the formula. Mean equals sigma fi xi over sigma fi. Then enter the data value based on the table. So 4919 over 13 equals 166.33. The second material we will discuss is the median. The median is the middle value in the data that has been sorted. The first single data median. For odd number of data, the formula is median equals x n plus 1 over 2. For a number of data even, the formula is median equals half open bracket x open bracket n over 2 close bracket, plus x, open bracket, n over 2 plus 1, close bracket. Description: Mi is the median value, then n is the number of data, and x is the data value. Out data example: calculate the median of the following data: 9, 1, 3, 7, and 5. The first step, sort the 9, 1, 3, 7, and 5 data from smallest to largest. From 9, 1, 3, 7, and 5 to 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Second step, enter the median formula. The formula is median equals x, open bracket, n plus 1, close bracket, over 2. So, median equals x, open bracket, 5 plus 1, close bracket, over 2, equals x. 6 over 2 equals x3. So, the median is at x3, which is means 5. Example of even data. Calculate the mean of the following data: 4, 8, 6, and 2. The first step, sort the data 4, 8, 6, and 2 from smallest to largest. Second step, enter the median formula. The formula is median equals half, open bracket, x, n over 2 plus x, n over 2 plus 1, close bracket. So, median equals half, open bracket, x, 4 over 2 plus x, 4 over 2 plus 1, close bracket, equals half x2 plus x3. Then median equals half, open bracket, 4 plus 6, close bracket, equals 5. So, the median value of data 4, 8, 6, and 2 is 5. The second group data median. The formula is median equals db plus n over 2 minus f over f times c. Description: ME is the median, then TB is the lower edge of the median class, then N is number of data, F is median frequency, F the number of frequencies before the median frequency, and C is median interval length. Example: calculate the median of the data for the height group of students in grade 1 STN Sugiwaras below. In the table, there are intervals. The first, 100 to 110. The second, 120 to 130. The third, 140 to 150. Then for the frequency, there are 12, 18, and 10. Then the sum is 40. Solution: the first step is to find the median first, which is half of the total data, namely half times 40 equals 20. So, the median lies on the 20 data, which lies in the interval 2, which is 120 to 130. F is 18, TB is 120 to 0.5 equals 119.5. 5 is 12 and C is 10. Second step, enter the formula. The formula is median equals TB plus half minus N minus F over F times C. So, median equals 119.5 plus half minus 40 minus 12 over 18 times 10 equals 119.5 plus 4.4 equals 123.9. The third material that we will discuss is the mode. Mode is the value that occurs frequently in data. The first, single data mode. Sorting the data from smallest to largest, then the number that appears most often or appears in the data. Example, find the mode value of the following data: 2, 5, 5, 7, 7, and 6. Solution, short data 2, 5, 5, 6, 7, and 7. Then it can be seen that the numbers 5 and 7 often appear more often than other number. The second, group data mode. The formula is mode equals TB plus difference F1 over difference F1 plus difference F2 times B. Description, MU is mode, TB is bottom edge of class, then difference F1 highest frequency to the frequency above, then difference F2 highest frequency to lower frequency, and P is interval. Example, find the mode of the interval data below. The following is a table of corn harvest result in Mangunsuman village. In the table, there is a value. The first is 30 to 34, the second 35 to 39, the third 40 to 44, the fourth 45 to 49, and the fifth 50 to 54. In the table, there is also a frequency. The first 3, the second 5, the third 10, the fourth 11, and the fifth 8. Solution, the first step, the mode is in the interval 45 to 49 because the frequency is the most. The second step is to enter the formula. The formula is MU equals TB plus difference F1 over difference F1 plus difference F2 times P. So, mode equals 45 minus 0.5 plus open bracket 12 minus 8 over 12 minus 8 plus 12 minus 6 close bracket times 5. Mode equals 44.5 plus open bracket 4 over 4 plus 6 close bracket times 5. Mode equals 44.5 plus 2 equals 46.5. So the mode value is 46.5. The last material we will discuss is quartiles. Quartiles are values that divided short data into 4 equal parts. Quartiles are divided into 3 parts. The first, lower quartile, the second, middle quartile, and the third, upper quartile. Single data quartile formula. Quartile for odd number of data. For an odd number of data, the quartile can be found by the following formula. The formula for lower quartile, Q1 equals X 50 open bracket M plus 1 close bracket. For middle quartile, X2 equals X half open bracket M plus 1 close bracket. For upper quartile, Q3 equals X 3 over 4 open bracket M plus 1 close bracket. Quartile for even number of data. The steps to find the number of quartiles of even data are as follows. The first, sort the data from smallest to largest. The second, determine Q2 or median. The third, determine Q1 by divided the data under Q2 into 2 equal parts. And the fourth, determine Q3 by dividing the data above Q2 into 2 equal parts. For group data quartile formula, the formula for the quartile of group data given as the following equation. The formula is QI equals TB plus open bracket I over 4 and minus FK over FI close bracket times P. Description, I is 1, 2, 3 for the lower, middle, and upper quartile. TB is bottom edge of quartile class. N is total frequency. Fk is the number of frequencies before the quartile class. Fi is quartile class frequency. And P is interval class length. Okay, the discussion of material on statistics has been complete. I hope you can understand. Thank you and goodbye.